What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, just came across my content, hello, my name is Ashley and I upload 4 times a week during the month of August, every even day. And once September hits, I'm going to be going back to my regular uploading schedule, which is still twice a week, but I'm going to be a full-time student. Speaking of being a student, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys online schooling tips and tricks. I know the majority of us, my school is basically going fully online. All of my classes were switched to be online, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys my tips for you guys. If you are going into college, high school, this will help you no matter what. I really hope and pray that we all have an amazing year due to the circumstances. I hope you guys are all staying safe, happy, and healthy through this time. I'm praying for all of us. We are going to get through this. I have everything written down on my phone. So my first tip is to please just try and stay positive and understand that this is a new learning style for everyone. When we all got pushed to being online in March, I was honestly scared because I was like, I can't even focus in a regular classroom. I don't know how I'm going to be able to do this online, but I did it. I got the highest GPA I've ever gotten at school because I was staying organized, staying positive, knowing that I can get through this. My teachers were so beyond supportive through this time because it was new for both of us. They didn't want to teach online. We didn't want to learn online, but we had to get through it together. They were always reaching out, and staying positive truly helped me, and just knowing that I'm not the only one going through it. My next tip is to have study breaks. What I like to do is I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do work for an hour, then go on TikTok for 10 minutes, and then do more work, then watch a YouTube video, then do more work. So if you make yourself do something and then you have something to look forward to, so okay, I'll bang out this hour of work and then be able to watch Alicia Murray's new YouTube video. Something like that to reward yourself for all of the hard work you're doing will truly help you and honestly motivate you to get your work done even faster. Because say if you're like, okay, I'll do this when I'm done with this assignment, it'll make you do the assignment faster, make you more motivated to do the assignment, and you might get the assignment done before the hour. My next tip is to stay organized. I 110% recommend all of you who doesn't have a planner right now to get a planner, especially since some of your classes are going to be online. Your teachers are not going to remind you when stuff is due. I know some of my teachers were not even like going to be meeting on Zoom. They're just going to post a syllabi. We're all by ourselves, and yeah, so I definitely recommend get a planner, stay organized, write down all of your due dates when it's due, and start your work on the first day. Just try to get ahead. My next tip is have a clean and workable study environment. I know once March hit, I literally sat in my bed every day, but that's what worked for me. I was comfortable, I was happy, I was in my own little space. I was still in my parents' house and they were all working downstairs, and like we wanted our own little sections. I know when I get back to school, me and my 4 housemates are all going to be doing work together, but my sister and my friend Eric, we have 2 classes together, so on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, when we have those 2 classes together, we can all do the group work together, which will honestly help. And yeah, I know I'm going to be bringing my desk to school, so I can also do schoolwork there. I could do it on my deck, I could do it in my living room, maybe I can go to campus. I just don't know what the campus dynamic is going to be. I don't even know if like what buildings are going to be open, if I'm going to be able to go to the library to study. I don't want to be like near a huge crowd of people if everyone's going to the library, but yeah. My next tip is to get into a routine. What I like to do is, say if I have a class at 1 o'clock, I'll wake up at like 9 o'clock, have my coffee, watch some YouTube, work out, and then get into a routine, and then do my class, and then do a ton of like YouTube stuff either before or after. Just make a daily routine for yourself, so you're not just like laying in bed doing your work and like it'll just make you sad. Like, get into a routine, try to make stuff as normal as possible, even though this is such a normal time. But getting into routine will truly help you, especially waking up before your class time. My next tip is to 100% use your resources. Your teachers are there for you, your guidance counselors are there for you, your advisors are there for you. Reach out to them if you need help. Don't be afraid to ask. They are going through this tough time with you. They are wanting to help you and want to meet with you in person, but we can't. So just reach out by email, use your resources. They are so here to help you. My next tip is to stay on top of your work. Like, as I mentioned before, get a planner, write down all your due dates from your syllabi, go through your syllabi on the first day of classes. This will truly help you, and basically write down when everything is due so you can get ahead of your work and you're not behind on anything. My last tip is, I know URI does this. If you go onto Sakai, you can see like your class roster and see who's in your classes. So my tip for college is like, meet your fellow classmates, study with them online or in a safe environment. I know, like, I've been a business major for 4 years. I basically have like the same people that are in all of my business classes. My 2 housemates are business majors. We're taking basically the same classes. I have some of my TMD friends that I know that are in some of my classes, so FaceTime them, study with them, meet in a safe environment, social distancing, whatever. It'll make the school year so much easier, especially if you're doing like study groups and everything like that, but just make it safe. So yeah, those are all the online schooling tips and tricks I have for you guys. Again, if you are new, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. I respond to every single one of my comments, and subscribe. I will see you all in 2 days with a new video. I love you all so much. Bye.